The second one has to do with our graduates. I feel cheated that only one, I don't want to call the name of the sex, collected everything here. Comrades, what are you doing? Thank you. I'm very happy to be with you today to share your joy and excitement on this special day of the fourth convocation ceremony of PAMO, University of Medical Sciences. I'm also honored to be here because of the offer of the honorary doctorate degree from this university. Now I can proudly say I'm a doctor, but I won't use scissors. Let me join everyone to thank God Almighty for yet another joyful and memorable day like this in the life of this university. The graduating students, their parents, and guardians. 1 year ago, when I was here, it was a very sad day because we came back from something or somewhere that brought so much pain to my life and the life of Rivers people. But the story is different today. We're here 1 year later in a better mood, cracking joke, making suggestions to the Government Council. It can only be God. Permit me to remind you of the immortal word of Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. Reputed to be the first private medical university in Nigeria, this university acclaimed mission of providing excellent medical training for the production of world-class medical sciences professionals, characterized by the core value of knowledge, as we could see today, as displayed by these young ones. Discipline and human service clearly resonates with that statement that PAMO was prepared, ready, and is delivering to Nigeria and Rivers State in particular. I admire the university for several reasons. It is the first private university established and owned by an illustrious son of the state who has made giving to service, not just to our state, but our country, Nigeria. I know that the best is what you're doing today. When you were governor and they were singing, oh, did yeah, 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 yeah. After singing before you, they go behind and do other things. But today, what you're giving is what nobody can take away. And that is the only way you appreciate God in your life. Congratulations, sir. In this era where standard of education in our university are declining, this university has established itself as an island of excellence in medical education and training. Indeed, only a few universities, medical universities and colleges in this country can boast of the record-breaking progress this university has recorded in few years. Nothing is more exciting than the fact that our children now have expanded opportunity to acquire professional education and training in medical and health science from this university, which they can use to serve the community and change the world. Let me therefore salute and appreciate the founder, pace setter, our daddy, the transformer, not the one that they use to pass current to, but the one that normally gives light. And your dear wife, for this enviable height in a very short period, despite the challenges that you were faced in your life. And also, I accept this honor, honorary doctorate, with high sense of pride and humility. I want to appreciate the Board of Trustees and the Governing Council for adopting me, even with all my faults, to provide me with this great honor. I appreciate it. As you all know, this is always a happy occasion. Although I was sad last year, but before I left here, I was happy because after shaking a lot of people, I got strength. So it's always a happy event. But it's more fulfilling and humbling when the honor is projected as recognizing our leadership efforts and modest contribution in healthcare education within a short period in office. We are making and also advancing in the cause of peace, security, and unbiased development in the state, as everyone can see and attest to our genuine interest of our state. I wish to add that this honor reflects the effort and determination of Rivers people to free themselves from the shackles of domination, fear, and lack of real development, which they have silently endured for too long. There is no doubt that this university has come to stay, and like the mustard seed, they say, it can only continue to blossom and grow as high and profound as his vision in the continued service of mankind and to the glory of God. I promise to be a worthy ambassador. As a degree holder of the university now, I'm also an ambassador of the university. My reputation outside, my carriage outside, my comment outside, my attitude to reflect the quality and standard of this institution. I promise I will do that. We shall continue to strengthen the existing development that we have in this university in partnership. The Rivers State government that I'm leading today will accelerate transformation of the healthcare delivery system for a better and benefit of the people of Rivers State and beyond. Our mandate is to work with our people to transform our state, our community, to a level where we can secure and all enjoy the greatest standard of security, peace, and prosperity from the responsible and responsive management of our collective God-given resources. While we feel disturbed by the senseless distraction, I wish to assure everybody that we remain focused and our eyes are on the ball, committed more than ever to deliver on our mandate and leave the state far better than where we met it. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the government and the citizens of Rivers State, I extend joyful congratulations to all the students on their life-changing achievements as proud graduates of this university. Today's convocation marks the completion of an important phase in your life that is the beginning of another. From today, you bear full responsibility of what you would love to become and make out of your university education. It was also added in the speech. This is just the beginning. You can end here if you want, but you can still go further. You just have to say, I want to go, and you'll be there. Your primary task is to use your specialized knowledge, skill, and training to get and advance your professional career, earn a decent living, contribute to human progress to the best of your capacity. As you know, anything is possible to him that believes and strives with focus and determination amidst life challenging. We all know the poor state of our economy, lack of job, high inflation rates, and the accompanying poverty and hardship being experienced by millions of ordinary Nigerians across the country. Still, you must decide your story from here and embrace the challenges ahead, some of which comes with underlying opportunity. Mine is one of the cases. We have challenges here, but you have given us other opportunity, and we're proud to go along with it. As youth, your future and the future of our country are in your hands, and a better future is possible with hard work, focus, unwavering commitment to achieving set goals, and transformational ambition. Transformational ambition. Build your network based on your purpose and value, and willing to volunteer your service and skill with integrity to advance a greater good of all, irrespective of class, grade, background, status, or ethnicity. Do not forget the peace of God, grace, prayers, as you embrace the next phase of your life journey with courage and determination to make a success of it. My solo prayer to all of you is that may God lead you aright, and may you all flourish in your chosen professional career and other endeavors. I join everyone, and I join the family of the Odelis to wish you well in this particular journey that you have started. As a government, we will continue to do our part to support you partner with you genuinely for the betterment of our states. And for everyone who have journeyed with you blindly at that time, because they never knew where they were going. But I'm happy today you have gotten to the destination and you're even expanding the coast. I thank every one of you for the support, more especially the Board of Trustees. The Board of Trustees. If you have not seen any good thing in them, if they have not shown character, you will not stand by them. So God will bless every one of you. Once again, I thank the PAMO University of Medical Science for this honor and wish all the graduates a very bright future. Thank you, and may God bless you.